Hi friends, welcome back to Dinas Academy, and in this video we have got something a little bit different for you. We are going to discuss 25 internet slang words, acronyms and phrases. So let's get started. Our first is ASAP, which is an acronym that stands for as soon as possible. Number 2 is LOL, LOL, and it stands for laugh out loud. And the next one is FYI. It stands for your information. The next one is G2G, and G2G stands for go to go. Let's move to the next one. TTYL. TTYL stands for talk to you later. Our next one is IMO. IMO stands for in my opinion. Next is JK, and it stands for just kidding. Next one, IDC. IDC is used to show I don't care. The next one, Z. It means triple Z, 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 Z. It means sleeping, bored, or tired. Let's move to the next one, CSL. CSL. It means can't stop laughing. Let's see the next one, YGTR. It is used to express as you got that right. Let's see the next one, DM. It is used to refer direct message. Our next one is ASL. ASL stands for age, sex and location. Next is DWH. It is an slang used during working hours. DWH stands for during working hours. Our next one is NBD. NBD refers for not big deal. The next is PPL. It is used to refer a people. Let's move to the next one, GOI. GOI is an expression used to say get over it. Okay, let's move to the next one, DIY. DIY is a slang used to refer do it yourself. Next is TMB. It is a slang used usually in Twitter. TMB stands for tweet me back. Let's see the next one, OMW. It stands for on my way. Let's see the next one, GL. It is an expression used to wish someone good luck. GL stands for good luck. Our next one is CYT. It is an acronym used to express see you tomorrow. Let's see the next one, BRB. BRB stands for be right back. Next is JIC. JIC is used to tell just in case. And let's see the last one, B4N. B4N stands for bye for now. So these are the 25 most commonly used internet slang words and acronyms. So guys, let me know the other internet slang words that you commonly use. And that's all in this video. If you really like the content and the effort that we are putting into this channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.